Hi everyone, it's Dr. Krad. In this case, I perform a refractive lens exchange for a 50-year-old hairdresser. Super nice guy that depended on glasses for everything, both far and near, and he was just tired of it. He cuts and styles hair for a living, so his livelihood depends on both near and far vision. Cutting hair requires excellent depth perception, but the patient also has to glance back and forth from the client's hair, then further towards the mirror about 5 feet away from him when assessing his client's hairstyle. He needs good range of vision if he wants to be free from glasses. In addition to the Panoptix Pro, I've considered other lens options for this patient, such as the Envy lens and the Clearview 3. I considered the Odyssey lens as well, but in my personal experience, many patients want more range of vision than it provides. One could have gone many ways with this, but I chose the Panoptix Pro because range of vision with minimal gaps in vision was the priority. I told him that after we do the first eye, depending on how he feels, we can either put another Panoptix Pro or a different multifocal in the other eye. But after doing the first eye, the patient loved it, and so we ended up performing RLE with another Panoptix Pro in the second eye. His far away vision was 20/20 as well as his intermediate and near. The patient had no complaints about quality of vision. He said that his vision felt clear, like he was wearing his glasses, but he wasn't needing to wear his glasses. Exactly what he was hoping for. Every patient is different, and so ask your surgeon if you're a good candidate for surgery. And if you received a lens implant, whether a Panoptix Pro, Envy lens, Odyssey, or Clearview 3, I'm sure many patients and doctors would find your detailed feedback valuable. But where could you go to share your experience? There's a free site, IOLSurvey.com, where you can share your detailed feedback about your lens implant. So if you got an Odyssey, an Envy, a Panoptix Pro, a Clearview 3, or a light adjustable lens, go to IOLSurvey.com where you can share your valuable feedback about your lens implant. Let us know how the quality of far vision is during the day. Let us know about the night vision, the computer, the near vision, any dysphotopsias or side effects. Describe in the comments what you think about your lens. What are you experiencing with your lens? This is especially useful when new lens technology comes out because all we have is the biased marketing materials presented by the lens manufacturers. I think it's helpful when patients and doctors, especially when they're not paid, to share their views. Surgeons can also preload their patient's lens implant and send review requests to their patients after surgery. For surgeons who register and are verified, soon you will have access to a physician portal for entering and comparing post-op data. And the more data there is, the more helpful this could all be. Check it out. It's kind of like a Yelp, but for lens implants. Your feedback will be valuable to other patients and doctors. I hope you like it.